Ashton Hall is a complete fake. He's using mouth tape while he sleeps, which is good. He's getting a sharper jawline, way better sleep, and just better facial structure. And just look at my 5-month transformation from mouth taping. It's literally night and day. But the mistake Ashton Hall is making is that he's using cheap mouth tape that's not made of silk, so this can really irritate your skin over time. That's why I went with this company, Snore, because the materials they use are not going to cause any problems. Plus, it's the only brand I've found that come with 30 of these nose breathing strips for completely free. And the best part is, it's even on sale right now. I dropped the link below.